Hi everybody. So this is a glove compartment light switch from a 1995 Jeep Cherokee XJ. And like typically happens with these XJ glove box lights, it stops working after a while. And it's really easy to fix, and you really can't get a simpler device than this switch. This is actually a combination glove box light and latch system. So the way it works is, this is mounted up in the glove box in approximately this position, this being the top of the box. And when the door closes, the latch on the door comes in to this center portion and presses the switch in, which turns the light off. And then inside here on this side and on that side is where the glove box actually latches to the dashboard. So it's really simple. When this button presses in, it turns the light off by disconnecting the power between these two terminals. So you've got power coming in here, one's power, one's ground. Let's just say, for example, power comes in through this left terminal, comes across to this top left switch contact, travels through the little bar that's part of the switch, then goes to the next contact and into the bulb holder itself. Then it goes across the bulb contacts, lights the bulb up, comes across this bar, and then you'd have your ground on this terminal here. So that's really it. I mean, all this switch does is break the continuity between these two contacts. But as simple as this is, it's still susceptible to a failure mode, which is due to corrosion. And over time, what happens is you get a buildup of basically rust on this contact closure bar. And so it can't make good contact between these two terminals here. So it's actually a really simple fix. I just use a little soft brass brush and polish up this little rod so that it can make good contact on these two terminals. So I'm just going to press this in, kind of hold the bar a little bit there at my finger. And then it's also a good idea to try to get into these little contacts down inside the switch too. So that's pretty much it. Just got to scratch it up a little bit with a soft wire brush so that it makes good contact when the switch closes. So pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.